When you shoot at 60 frames per second, you can add slow motion to it because you can stretch it out to 30 frames per second. We've talked about this before in the lesson about frame rates, but apart from the technical explanation, there's also a creative rule. When should we film slow motion and what's the impact that it has on our video? Our talent jumps over a rock. We've seen what happens, but we didn't see the details because it went so fast. Let's shoot that again, but this time in slow motion. This gives the audience the time to look more at the details, like what expression is a talent making, what are their clothing doing in the air, what is their body position, etc. Automatically, a viewer will start looking at such details because it feels like we're getting more time to look, even if the clip itself isn't actually longer, and that's the interesting part. A normal close-up shot where not even something exciting is happening in. At real-time speed, we see a person. A 5-second clip. Now let's show that same shot, also 5 seconds long, but in slow motion. The audience will automatically start paying attention to the details in the face. And because we look more in depth at someone's face, we perceive their emotions a lot more. In this shot, the talent tilts their head up. Nothing special, but when we play this in slow motion, all of a sudden, their emotion becomes stronger. And depending on the story that you're telling, you will emphasize that. So that is in essence what slow motion does. It doesn't always have to be fast action shots. Even small movements or character emotions can be enhanced with slow motion. So don't use it all the time, but use this powerful technique wisely.